How to update your Microsoft account security information. Hello everyone, and let's get started. Updating your Microsoft account security information can be important for several reasons, some of them being account security, account recovery, identity verification, security alerts, two-factor authentication, and much more. So let's get started. First of all, you need to go to Microsoft.com and log in into your account. Once you log in into your Microsoft account, tap on the profile and there you have the option to go to My Microsoft account. Tap on the link and you will open another page whereby on the left side panel you have the security tab. Tap on it and you will see this four options. The very first one being sign in activity. If you tap on view my activity, you can see different types of actions that you have been performing using the Microsoft account. Likewise, the second option is password security. Tap on change my password and you can change it to a stronger password in case of any unauthorized access. Similarly, on the third, you have advanced security option. Tap on it. From there, you can change various kinds of options which are assigning a new password, viewing activity, additional security, two-step verification, signing out of everywhere, and much more. It is from this page that you can update your security information by adding two-factor authentication and changing the password to a stronger one. Likewise, you can sign out from all the activities at once. So this is it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.